In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward Gmail to another email. By the end, you'll know exactly how to share a single message from your inbox quickly and clearly. First, open Gmail and select the specific email you want to share. Make sure you're looking at the actual message content, not just the inbox list. Forwarding works on both desktop and mobile. The idea is the same everywhere. You open the message you want to pass along, and then you forward it. Next, find the forward option. On desktop, look for the curved arrow icon labeled Forward within the message, or click the three-dot More menu inside the message if you don't immediately see it. On the mobile app, tap the three dots in the top right corner of the message and choose Forward. This opens a new draft with the original message quoted below. Now enter the recipient's email address in the To field. Type carefully and double-check spelling so your message reaches the right person. If you need to include more than one recipient, you can add others in the TU, CC, or BCC fields as needed. Remember, the email will come from your account, so you stay in control of what's being shared. If you want to add context, type a short message at the top of the draft. Keep it brief and clear, something like why you're forwarding the email or what you want the recipient to focus on. You can also edit the subject line if it helps clarify the purpose. Gmail often prefixes it with FABB to indicate it's a forwarded message. Attachments and inline images from the original message are included automatically, but it's a good idea to scan them and remove anything you don't need. If the original email contains content you don't want to share, you can delete parts of the quoted text before sending. Be mindful of signatures or footers that might include private details and remove those if necessary. When everything looks good, click Send. You'll see the message appear in your Sent folder, which is a quick way to confirm it went out. The recipient will receive a new email from you that contains the forwarded message below your note. One important note, this method forwards only that single email, not your entire conversation and not all future emails. If you ever need to forward many emails or set up automatic forwarding, that's a separate feature in Gmail settings. For now, you've successfully forwarded just the message you chose with optional context to the right person.